In the last 2 hours, NCDOT officials answered questions and provided some insight on what comes next with the I-77 South toll lane.
It comes just days after they showcased new design plans. WCNC Charlotte's Walker Lawson was there. He joins us live right now. And Walker, what was the discussion primarily about?
Yeah, guys, well, the message was quite clear. They want to get out as much information as possible. They actually gave us this lengthy set of documents right here. So some of the things that they touched on is that NCDOT says that the corridor where the tolled lanes go has a 2.8 times higher crash rate than comparable roadways across North Carolina. They say that approximately 5 fatalities occur each year along the 11-mile stretch, and they say that the toll lanes project will provide safety enhancements, corridor improvements, aesthetic upgrades, and economic development potential. Now, we did have the opportunity to ask questions to NCDOT and the developer firm that is assisting them in this process. And we were able to ask some questions. I was able to ask a question that specifically impacts me, and I know it's been a big deal for a lot of commuters. Currently, people that drive on I-77 northbound see a lot of people sitting in traffic and not using the toll lanes. So I asked them, how can they convince people here in Charlotte that the toll lanes will work down here when for many drivers like myself, it appears to not be working northbound?
So here, developers have had to agree to toll rate caps for this stretch of I-77 South. So that is a really big difference in terms of making sure that people can get on the express lane and not sit there when 2 or 3 cars drive by like you see now on 77. The other was low income discount program. So anyone who is considered low income or on SNAP will have a discounted toll. They have still to get a transponder, but they can drive through. This one, HOV plus 3 lanes, which is not I-77 North, that's a lessons learned. And the other big one is emergency and bus rapid transit. So emergency vehicles, so police, fire, and medics can use the express lanes for free, but also our buses can.
Well, coming up tonight at 6, you'll hear more from that meeting as well as see some of those design plans that they presented to us as well. You also hear from people who still say they're not sold on this project. Reporting near Uptown, Walker Lawson, WCNC Charlotte.
Yeah, and these discussions are going to continue over some time.
At least they're addressing those certain exceptions,
Yeah.
potential exceptions to the high-priced toll lanes. Walker, thank you.